Hey my people, welcome back to Music and Country Life. Now today I'll be showing you how to make your own homemade charcoal from the coconut shell. Yes, so you want to stick and stay for that. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, you gotta click the subscription button below and click the bell that says all, and don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. All right, yes, and remember to share my videos with your family and your friends and let them join the Music and Country Life family. So here we have some coconut shells, right? And you would want to get them in smaller pieces, right, for them to burn quicker. Yes, so this is what the pimento wood looks like. Yes, this is what it looks like, and it also carries a high scent. Yes, it smells just as the pimento. So this is the best wood to use when you are making your charcoal. All right. Oh yeah. Adding the second set of coconut. Yes, so here I've added the second set of coconut shells. So you would want to be stirring it to make sure that they are burning evenly. All right? So here we have the coconut shell burning. Yes, and this is what it will be looking like, you know, when you are burning it. You will then put it to cool after you've gotten it well burnt. Then after it is cool, you will pour it in mortar, and then you will pound it, all right, until it is refined. All right, as you can see right here. Yeah, then after which you will then sieve it. All right, so here I have it. And then I will then put it in the strainer for you. Yeah. And then you will sieve it. As you can see, we're getting it nicely here. So I made sure to have a clear container so you could see exactly what's happening. All right, so you see, there we have it. We have our homemade coconut shell charcoal. All right, so until next time, stay tuned, stay connected for another Country Life video.